Now let's get right into the video. First of all, you need a fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. Then we'll need a zipper. We'll also need a ruler or any straight material you've got. We'll need a chalk or a marker. Then you need a scissors and some pins to hold the fabric together. First of all, I placed the fabric on a table and then I used my ruler to mark out 18 inches on all four sides to form a square. Now you can use 20 by 20 or thereabout depending on the size of your pillow. Now my pillow is 18 by 18 inches, so I just cut out 18 inches on all four sides to cover the length of my pillow. So I just went on to cut it out like so. Then for the back piece, I used 18 by 18 inches also, but I gave 1 inch allowance for zipper. You will see it right now as I demonstrate in the video. I just went on to fold the remaining fabric in half and then I placed the front piece on it as I said earlier on, but this time I gave 1 inch allowance for zipper because you want the back of pillowcase to have a zipper to be able to help you remove the pillow and insert a new one, or whenever you want to wash the pillowcase. I just add the 1 inch allowance for the zipper and then I cut the back the same thing I did with the front, 18 by 18 inches. So this is the front piece of your pillowcase, and these are the two back pieces of your pillowcase. Now I take just one of the pieces of the back and I fold it in by half an inch, and I went on to press it down so that it can be defined. Then on the other half, it's not pressed down, I take my zipper and then I sew it on by half an inch. As you can see, I placed the zipper on the wrong side and then I sewed it in by half an inch. Then I went on to fold it and I carefully placed the other piece I ironed down on the one with the zipper, making sure I maintain my 18 inches mark. Now if you're using other sizes, you still try to maintain the same measurements so that the front and the back pieces will match perfectly. So here in this video, I am just pinning the two back pieces together, and then I intend to go to the machine to march a straight line down. You will see how I do it just now. So right now I am just sewing along the ironed piece, making sure it matches the other end of the zipper, and then it should turn out like this. It's okay to try this a couple of times. If you still don't get it right, watch the video over again. Now I am just moving the zipper head downward to enable us turn out the pillowcase cover after sewing. Next, we place our front piece over this already done back piece. Then we go over to the machine to sew all round, all four corners. Don't worry about how to turn it out. That is the reason I opened the zipper in the first place. So now I just went over to the edges, the four corners, to cut out every allowance so that I can be able to turn it out perfectly with all the edges out. If you don't do that, you won't get out all the perfect sharp edges. So now I just cut out all the extra zipper. That should not be a problem since you've already stitched the edges of the zipper. So now in the video, as you can see, I am just turning out the pillowcase cover and making sure I bring out all the sharp edges, and that is easy because I have cut out the extra fabric there, so it should come out easily and seamlessly. You can iron your pillowcase after this and voila, it is done. If you want me to post videos on other pillowcase ideas, let me know in the comment section and I'll be so happy to do that. This is it. You're shocked, right? In just how many steps your pillowcase cover is done. So right here in this video, I am just fitting my pillow into it, and it looks so nice already. So simple. This is something you can do at home, and there's no problem if you do not have a sewing machine. You can also use a hand needle and thread to do this because it does not involve much stitching. Good luck with this, and I hope you try this project. Thank you for watching. If you're new, I encourage you to subscribe and check out my other videos.